The NOMEBOT A6 is a next-generation cleaning vacuum and mop robot that is designed to be more efficient and effective than previous models. It features a number of new features, including the NOMEBOT A6 uses DTOF navigation to map your home more accurately and efficiently. This allows it to clean your home more thoroughly and efficiently. The NOMEBOT A6 uses ultrasonic carpet detection to avoid carpets when mopping. This prevents the mop from getting stuck on carpets and ensures that your carpets are always clean. The NOMEBOT A6 has a self-emptying dustbin, which means that you don't have to empty it manually. This is a great convenience, especially if you have a large home. The NOMEBOT A6 can be controlled with a smart app, which allows you to schedule cleanings, set cleaning preferences, and view cleaning reports. Here are some of the pros and cons. Pros: DTOF navigation, ultrasonic carpet detection, self-emptying dustbin, smart app control. Cons: price, noise level. Some users have reported that the NOMEBOT A6 can get stuck on certain obstacles. Overall, the NOMEBOT A6 is a next-generation cleaning vacuum and mop robot that is more efficient, effective, and convenient than previous models. It is a good choice for those who are looking for a robot that can help them keep their home clean with minimal effort. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.